Make lumpia or egg roll.
Egg roll lumpia.
And I have my assistant here, my pretty little girl. Say hi to your subscribers.
Hi subscribers.
Are you excited to make lumpia?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna help my mommy.
What's happening to your face? There's chocolate mark. Alright. So what are the ingredients, sweetheart?
Spring roll, carrots, onions, garlic powder, black pepper, and salt.
Yes, plain salt. Yeah. Such a good reader. So yeah, so we bought this spring roll wrapper in the Asian market here, and you can actually use it for egg rolls, so there's not much difference.
So let's start.
Main ingredient is the sprout. So we're heating the pan right now, and we're gonna saute all the ingredients before we wrap each one. So
yeah, and I'm gonna help.
we are sauteing the onions here, and we'll wait till it turns golden brown. Alright. Okay, and time to put, what's this, sweetheart?
Sprouts.
Okay.
It's almost gonna look yummy, subscribers.
You want to give your subscribers lumpia?
Yeah.
Alright. Just mix it.
Mix it, subscribers. So it's gonna be almost cooked for an hour, and we're gonna almost eat it.
Right, and I'm gonna put a cup of water. Added a cup of water. Some people use a chicken stock, but I don't have it on stock here, so I'm just putting a cup of water so to soften it. And I'm gonna mix carrots with it. Okay. Mix, mix, mix. You don't need to, I mean, this is like a dish for vegans or those that doesn't want to add meat. So a healthier option, as I mentioned earlier, is the chicken stock or chicken broth. Alright.
It's time to add salt and pepper and garlic powder. So go ahead, sweetheart. Okay, this is a generous amount. It may look a lot, but the garlic powder. So since we don't have chicken broth or chicken stock, this will make this tastier.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. So this is just half cooked. Since we have to wrap it one by one, we only have 25 pieces of spring roll wrapper. Right, sweetheart?
Yeah.
Alright, so let it cool for a little bit, for at least 5 minutes, and we'll be back.
Hello, it's wrapping time.
Do you have yours?
Yeah, I have mine. I already put some.
You just put not as much in one setting, in one wrapper.
And then that. It's like a triangle. You make a triangle. You make a triangle or a pyramid. And then that's it. We'll mix a little water with starch, so it will it won't come off, it will stick together. Okay. Or you can use egg whites. That's an alternative. Here it is.
Look at mine, Mommy.
Not bad for first timers, sweetheart. Okay, happy? Yeah, we have to add a little bit
More.
veggies there. Nice.
That will be more healthy.
Mix it like a triangle.
So the triangle.
Fold it like a triangle.
Fold it like a triangle.
And flap the other side.
Flap the other side and put this
Until you make a triangle shape.
in. Yeah, it's a triangle now.
And then you roll it, and roll it, and roll it.
And I'm just going to put some.
And I like to move it. Put it in the middle.
So, now the next one. I'm going to do some of yours. My channel, subscribe to my channel.